Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today I'm going to test out a new headlight restoration kit. So headlightrestore.us reached out to me and they sent me a couple of restoration kit to make an honest review. So I used it and let's see how it performs.
Hey everybody, I will be giving away the Car Addiction window stickers to one lucky subscriber every month, so please hit the subscribe button right away.
So inside this kit, you're going to see 3 patches. These 2 patches are cleaning patches, so you use each on each headlight. And that's the patch with the clear coat. So after you clean them thoroughly, you just take this patch and it's very wet. So wipe it off on the light and it will bring back the shine. Wow, isn't that cool? It literally takes 2 minutes. It has 3 patches in this box, 2 cleaners and 1 clear. 2 cleaners, 1 for each light, and 1 clear. You can use it on both light, and it literally takes 2 minutes. It requires no tools, and all you have to do is watch this video. It's super simple, and anybody and everybody can do it themselves. Hit this guy's up, headlightrestore.us, and get your own kit and try it yourself.